Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can design an infographic on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Google Chrome, and after going to the Google Chrome, we have to create an account on the Adobe Express, and after that, we need to open it. And after opening this, as you can see, we have to go to the marketing section. And after going to the marketing section, now we have to scroll the right side, and after that, we need to select the infographic because we are going to discuss about the infographic, that how you can design that and how you can use that. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this you will be redirected to the infographic page. So as you can see, the page is open. Now you have to select that which template you want to use. For example, I like this one and I want to use this one, so I'm going to click on this. If you click on this, and it will be opened into your main board and editing board. So after that, if you want to zoom this, you can also do that. As you can see, the zoom option is provided here. You have to if you want to zoom in, you can also do that. You have to click on the zoom in, and the zoom in shortcut key is also provided here. Now if you want to edit these text as well, you have to click on text, and now you will get all the text control options here. Like if you want to make it bold, italic, and the coloring and the size, and each and everything option is provided here. You have to select that what you want to do. If you want to change the color, you can also do it. All the things are provided here. If you want to make changes in them, you can also do that. After doing these all things, you have to click on the download button, and after clicking on the download, you have to select the format, that in which format you want this. For example, I'm going to select JPG, and then you have to hit the download, and this will be downloaded. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can design an infographic on Adobe Express. So see you guys in the next video.